Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix try again later on Instagram. Seeing try again later on Instagram and nothing is working, here's how to fix it. First, stop everything. Instagram shows this message when you like, follow or comment too fast. Do not like, post, follow account, comment or DM. Wait 24 to 48 hours. This is the most important step. You can also check if you use bots or third-party apps. If you used any following apps or bots, remove them. For that, go to the Instagram app setting, tap on security, then tap on app website permission. Remove any app you don't recognize. Bots can trigger this error. You can also log out and log back in. For that, tap on three dot in top right corner, scroll down, tap on log out, then close the app completely. Wait a few seconds, then log back in again. A bad internet can cause error. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or turn off your airplane mode and try again. Make sure Instagram is updated. Go to the App Store or Play Store, update the app. If it still doesn't work, delete Instagram and reinstall it. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.